Producing a 3D animation video has traditionally posed considerable challenges, as the animation process is both highly creative and time-intensive. Animators typically invest weeks of continuous effort to generate just a few minutes of animation content. However, in the current age of artificial intelligence, the animation landscape has undergone a transformative shift, making the process significantly more accessible. With a mere few clicks, it is now possible to craft a 3D animation movie, with the added convenience of being able to share these creations on platforms like YouTube and potentially generate passive income. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the steps of creating a 3D animation video using AI. Let's dive right in. Initially, you'll need to establish an account on DeepMotion AI, a straightforward process involving entering your email and setting up a password. Once your account is set up, click on Enter Animated 3D. Proceed by clicking Get Started. On the ensuing page, you'll encounter instructions, but you can opt to skip them for now. Click on 3D Model. At this stage, you have the option to either create your 3D model or upload an existing one. For this walkthrough, we'll utilize AI to generate a model. You can choose between a stylized character or a realistic one. Opt for masculine, feminine, or don't specify based on your character preference. Next, you can create a model using your own photo or upload one from your computer. Alternatively, you can utilize DeepMotion's database, as I'm doing in this tutorial, by clicking Continue without photo. Following this, select an avatar and click Next. Voila! You now have an AI-generated 3D model at your disposal. Customize the model to your liking, adjusting aspects such as skin tone, face type, eyebrows, nose type, and outfit as desired. Following the customization of your avatar, proceed to the next step. You have the option to create an account with Ready Player to save and reuse the avatar, or you can choose to skip this step. Give your character a name and then click on Save. Your 3D model is now prepared. Let's proceed to create an animation with this model. To generate an animation video, click on Create Animation. If you wish to create a static 3D pose, click on the respective option. For animation, choose 3D Animation. Click on Browse File to upload a video, such as a dancing clip. Ensure the video is less than 20 seconds, as the free version permits only 20 seconds of video. If your video exceeds this limit, consider splitting it into 20-second segments and create the animation in parts. Adjust the settings as needed. For GIF or other animation formats, activate physics filtering, face tracking, and hand tracking. If your model only includes the upper body, enable upper body only. Otherwise, leave it as is. For video output, enable MP4 output and disable MP4 audio, including the original video. Further, choose a solid color for the background in custom settings, and set the camera mode to cinematic. Once settings are configured, click on Create. The animation can be exported in various formats for use in editors like Blender, AutoCAD, and others. Initiate the animation creation process by clicking on Start Job. DeepMotion will take some time to generate the animation. Once complete, preview it with the original video. Click on the Download button, select your preferred format, e.g. MP4, and download the animation. Upon downloading the 3D model, open Canva, click on Video to create a blank video. Access the Element section and search for an animated background. Choose a suitable video background for your topic and set it as the background. Click on Share and download the video in MP4 format. To add the finishing touches, use a video editor like Wondershare Filmora. Import your animated model and background video into Filmora, placing the background video on video layer 1. Place the animation video on layer 2, and after positioning the videos, trim the background video to match the duration of the animated video. Subsequently, select the animation layer and utilize the chroma key function to fine-tune the settings, ensuring the proper removal of the green screen. Now let's incorporate music into our video. Download copyright-free music from YouTube, insert it into the audio section, and adjust it to complement the video. Upon completing the editing process, click on the Export button to generate the final product. Let's play.